Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, August 20, 2025. Sharon Cuneta first time makatanggap ng cash gift mula sa anak, Betty Pa-Frame. Hindi naiwasang maging emosyonal ni megastar Sharon Cuneta matapos makatanggap ng isang envelope na naglalaman ng pera at letter mula sa anak na si Frankie. Sa kanyang Instagram page, ibinahagi niya na sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon at nakatanggap siya ng regalong cash mula sa anak. Of course she didn't have to. I, in fact said that I wanted to frame the money. Saad ni Sharon. Pagpapatuloy niya, I cried when I read her note. It is so heartwarming to know that she thinks of taking care of me and her daddy when we are old and no longer able to work. Labis naman ang pasasalamat ni Sharon sa pagiging thoughtful at loving ng kanyang anak. Much more than the money, it is knowing that we raised a filial, loving, devoted child. God bless you every minute, my baba, I love you with all of my grateful heart. Praise Jesus, sabi pa ni Sharon. Samantala, mababasa naman sa handwritten letter ni Frankie na bagamat alam niyang tatanggihan ito ng ina at nais niya itong regaluhan pa rin ng pera. But I want you to keep this and remember that there is no universe where I will not take care of you, and that is a lifelong promise, mensahe ni Frankie kay Sharon. Dagdag pa niya, thank you for this beautiful life. It's my honor to be your daughter. Samantala narito ang ilan sa mga komento sa Instagram post ni Sharon. Wow Frankie, Tita Maricel and I will also frame it if you hand over the same to Ulash. Well brought up. Grabe napakabait na anak, and so pretty din at ang ganda ng penmanship, heart emoji. Nag-reply si Frankie ng, Mama no need to post, wad siya, I love you. Bisitahin at i-follow ang Instagram nila at Really Sharon Cuneta, at Frankie Pangilinan. E-click ang link sa description box. At yan ang ating latest showbiz chika update for today. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. I-click ang notification bell for more showbiz chika updates at suportahan po ang ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat. Adios.